Hey guys, Alex here, and in this video I want to show you some ideas about niches. This will be the first video of the niche series. So in this first video we will cover travel niche. So I will give you some ideas about how you can use our product in your designs. So for example, let's open export file post, because as I said in the videos, in the product videos, it's great for Instagram posts. I'll minimize this and open some quotes, for example these ones. Let it load for a bit. Again, depending on your machine, this can take shorter or longer. Click with your left click on this bottom one, go all the way up so you can switch all of them on. Wait for it to load. Sorry, my computer is a bit lagging. Oh, I didn't press all of them. Sorry about that. So simply go all the way up. Finish with them here. And that's it. So let's choose an image. I have an image right here on my computer. I'll scale it up holding Shift, Alt and my left click. Then Shift and just nudge it like here. Press enter to confirm. Then we will choose our text. Let's use a text and we will add it right here on the left of the Eiffel Tower. So we will choose some text that's on the left. Yeah, for example, this one. So as I showed you in one of the previous videos, with the move tool selected, click right here where it says group and choose layer, because we don't want to use the entire group. We just want to use one layer, text layer in this case. So just click on this text, drag and drop it right here with the move tool selected. Press T on your keyboard, Control A to select the entire text. Because it's left align, it will type from left to right. So for example, reasons, let's say best reasons to visit Paris, for example. Control click right here in the BG, press V or click right here for the move tool, this middle one and this left one, so it will left align to this left edge. Control D, then Shift right arrow 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times, for example, so we can move it 80 pixels from this left edge. Now one last thing, we should add a frame. So let's use, I don't know, let's see some frames what we have here. Maybe we can use this frame right here. So click on it with your move tool selected, of course, drop it inside, Control click right here, sorry. Use the move tool once again, click on the frame, this middle one, Control D to deselect. Now what we want to do is we want to make the Eiffel Tower stand out, and we want this frame to end right here where these buildings are. How we can do that is we can click right here on the mask, press B, then press X so we can switch these colors, or you can click on these arrows. So white is our foreground color. We can paint all the way down to here. Now we can press X once again or click right here. So black is our foreground color. Paint right to here, zoom in a little bit closer, move down a bit. So for example, right around here, zoom out, do the same here for the Eiffel Tower. Now we can make it transparent by clicking here and lowering the opacity so we can see the image in the background, so we can be a bit more precise. So around here I think it's quite good. So simply click, so brush is selected. If you think you need a smaller brush, right click right here, and if you see that you missed a spot, you can go back, so flip the colors around, paint back, flip the colors once again. That's why this is called non-destructive editing, because you don't edit fully anything, you are simply painting this in. So what you want to do in this case is zoom in on the text, click right here on this rectangular marquee tool, make a big selection, hold shift, move it until you see this pink line, which means it's snapped in the middle. Click on the mask, press B, right click to increase the size of your brush, simply paint, Control D, zoom out, and now we want to finish up with the Eiffel Tower right here at the top. So click once again, press B once again, right click, so you can lower the size of the brush, maybe a bit more because this is quite delicate right here. Simply paint right here. So there you go. Around here I'd say it's good enough. Zoom back out by holding Control and pressing 0, so it will snap back. Press A, then here to choose a color. Choose white for this example. Increase the opacity back. You can do it 100% or less if you want to. Press T, click on the text. Sorry, I forgot to mention that you will have to position the text. If you do this by accident and it will say layer 1, simply click and drag to this trash can at the bottom, so you can delete this layer. You have to position the frame behind the text, so it cannot be right here because you cannot edit the text. So simply click and drag it below the text. Now press T, click on the text, Control A, click right here and simply sample this white color. And that's it. That's really a simple idea of how you can increase your audience awareness and how you can make an image more clickable and more likable to your audience. One last thing I want to show you is I want to align this text to the left edge of this frame. So once again, use rectangular marquee tool. You can zoom in a little bit if you want to, so you can be more precise until it snaps. Once again, I hope you see this pink line. Text is selected, click on the move tool, and on this left edge align. Click right here, Control 0 to snap back into place. And now, as you can see, the text is aligned to this left line. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you found it helpful and that you will use this idea in your future designs. Keep an eye on this YouTube channel because we will update you with more videos about more different niches.